In this video, I'll show you a pocket option copy trade session that I'm going to conduct right now for my VIP copy traders. So if you are not already in my copy trading VIP channel, you can join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and follow the instructions there and get my UID so that you can start to copy my trades automatically in your pocket option by using this social trading feature of pocket option. Now in this video, this video is going to be a non-edited video. I'm not going to edit any part of this trading session. This is going to be a fully not edited video where I'm going to show you how exactly and what amount of profit my copy traders can achieve by copying my trades. As you can see, these are some previous results where we were able to make 4 trades right and one trade was wrong. And whenever the one trade is wrong, we stop trading for that day. But there are some conditions which I'll be explaining you in this video, and the strategy that I'm going to use in this trading session, I'm going to show you exactly what strategy I'm using later. Okay, so watch this video very carefully because it will grow your knowledge exponentially. And without doing any delay, let's get started, and don't forget to like this video. So the first we'll do is 2 trades at the same time. Okay, so that 2 trades will either be profit or loss. Okay, but firstly let's make that trade and let me find an entry point where I can make that trade. So we need to put all of this currency pair, non-notice currency pair. We'll be trading in 1 minute time frame for this trade. So let's find if we can get a entry at some point where we can make the trade. I'm not going to edit any part of this video so that you can feel confident that this is a type of video that you need to watch always, because most people who create video, they only show you profit, but there are also the chances of loss while you make trade. Okay, so right now I am not seeing any entry point at here. So here we are going to get a entry point. So whenever this timer hits 1 second, at that time I am going to make trade by clicking on lower, because there is going to be form a second dot. One dot have formed. Now whenever there is a second dot, I'll make trade by clicking on lower. This is a parabolic SAR strategy which I have been explaining in my lots of videos. You can watch those videos also, or wait for my video at the end of this YouTube video where I'm going to give you a link to watch. This is a video where I have explained the strategy. Let it work 1 second. So I'm going to make 2 trades at here, okay, for $200. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a link to the video where I have turned my $10 into $2,541 by using the exact strategy of this parabolic SAR. And you can watch that video and feel confident to use this strategy. Of course, you can use it firstly in your demo account. Here you can see market have gone totally our opposite, but that's fine. Okay, sometimes these things happen. So now at the end of this video, when we make loss, if we had made profit in this trade, then we'll start to make trade on 5-second time frame until we make 1 loss. Now even if we made this trade loss, then also what we are going to do is we will make trade on 5-second time frame on OTC pair by using the exact strategy, parabolic SAR strategy, in 5-second time frame. Okay, so this trade is about to close and we have made the loss. Now we'll switch to our OTC pair. So let me cut all of these currency pair. Okay, and then let's put all of these OTC pair that has over 90% payout in our favorite. Okay, only OTC pair we are going to. You need to make these stars yellow in this way, and all of this currency pair will start to be at here. So now let's put it all at the top firstly and start our trading session for 5 seconds. If you cannot accept the loss while making trades, then it is worthless for you to do trading. You need to stop doing trading. Okay, and we have a strategy where we limit our loss to up to 3 trades and then try to make unlimited amount of profit. Okay, and I'm exactly going to show you how. So let's switch to this currency pair and let's make this candle S5. That means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame, and make it S5, so our trading time frame is also going to be a 5 second. Now we need to switch this currency pair and see exactly at where we can get this kind of second dot to make trade. Now whenever we make one trade loss, we'll stop trading for that day. Okay, so here you can see second dot have formed, but we missed this trade. Now we'll keep on finding the second dot. Here also second dot have formed, but we missed the trade, and it was a good thing. We could have made loss at here. Let's keep on switching to find the second dot to make trade. So here you can see there was second dot, but we could have made loss, so we didn't made the trade, and that's the good thing. Here one dot, now second dot have formed, that's why we made a trade by clicking on higher at here, and we made a profit at here, you can see. Okay, so until we make one loss, we'll keep on trading, okay, by using this exact strategy. So now let's switch to other currency pair and try to find out the appropriate currency pair where we can make the trade. Here you can see there was second dot, but if we had made trade by clicking on lower at here, then we could have made loss. So we didn't made trade at there, and that's a good thing. So we need to, without any hurry, okay, we need to keep on switching this currency pair and find our appropriate place where we can make the trade. So let's keep on finding. We didn't get any entry, only one entry right now, so we'll again start from here. You can see here we have got an entry. Whenever 1 second happens, we make a trade by clicking on lower. Okay, now let's wait and see what happens. Yes, we made a profit. Now see, previously we made 2 loss, now we have made 2 profits. So we are in like we have already recovered our up to 90%. We have already recovered. Okay, now if we make our third trade right, then we will start to make the profit, but if we make loss, then we'll stop trading for that day and cut our losses. Okay, in this way you can start to make the trades. Here you can see there is one dot, so we'll make another trade when that timer hits 1 second. So I made a trade by clicking on lower, but it seems like market has gone in the opposite direction and we made a loss. Okay, so we had 3 loss today and 2 profits. So overall we are in loss today. Okay, but you also need to think about the thing that you cannot always make profit. Okay, here you can see we have made like $500 profit in this session, $500 profit in this session, and a minimum amount of loss in this session. These kind of things happen while you trade, and I only trade in this kind of format nowadays. So if you want to copy my trades, you can copy my trades by following the instructions in my free Telegram channel, and I'm also going to put a video link anywhere at here where you can watch and see how I was able to turn my $10 into $25.41 by using compounding. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.